Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all students. Okay, this is example 4. Example 4, if you read carefully and you should understand this is when we are using example 1, and let's say manager has two decisions in order to make in order to conduct market survey or not conduct market survey. So basically the figure will looks like this. Asalnya the first figure tu, if you look here, this is the original version. So we have decision or option or alternative on constructing large plant, sini large plant, small, or do nothing. This is the original do nothing. And we have also calculate for the EMV value. Okay, so if I can put here all the EMV value, this one you will get 10,000, this one you will get 40,000. Okay, EMV, this one 0. So we will pick 40,000. Dia akan masuk in this square decision. Now the manager has the decision on conducting market survey. Okay, so it is one of the decision or alternative. That's why we use square note. Do not conduct, this one original. Conducting, we have another branch line. So under conducting market survey, if you look the scenario, the survey will be negative or it will be positive. This is unpredictable event, cannot be controlled by the manager. So we presented the note by circle. Okay, so I sketch here circle and having a branch of positive and also negative. Inside positive and negative, we have the decision of constructing large plant, small plant, or do nothing. Same goes with negative survey. Okay, we have decision on large, small, or do nothing. Okay, all the payoff value or profit value will be the same unless for the probability value. If you look here, probability value is not equal. You should read what is the probability value. Okay, the first one, it indicate that 0.78. This one I show you how to get the probability. Okay, I start here. Okay, 0.78 is the probability of favorable market given positive. Given positive, so you go to positive branch and it state about favorable market. So this one favorable market given that it come from positive branch. Okay, so we have positive here, favorable. The probability equal to 0.78, and then you read again 0.22, and this one I show you 0.22 is the probability that the market for sheet will be unfavorable given positive also. So cabang yang sama, still positive branch, lepas tu you pick for unfavorable, it is 0.22. Okay, so cukup lah. If you plus these two value, you will get 1. Ni pun sama lah 0.78 plus 0.22. Untuk yang no plant, the probability of course equal to 1 lah. Okay, sebab dia tak ada cabang yang lain. Alright, next. If you look, next sentence, probability. Okay, 0.27 is the probability of favorable market given it come from negative result from the market. So kita tengok branch yang ada negative. and favorable, it will become 0.27. Unfavorable, okay, unfavorable 0.73. Yang ni pun sama lah. Okay, now we solve for EMV value. So EMV, before this I mentioned to you to put at the end of our payoff branch. Kat sini you have one, yang ni lah 116, this one ni, okay. So I have here the value 11. Later on you can check all the values. 116, 400, this one 73, 600, okay, this one 0, this one negative 77, 400, this one 12,400, this one 0. Okay, sorry, below is the 0 value. Right, now you have to decide which one is the largest value to put here. Okay, so I pick 116 ni, the largest value, so I write it here. Okay, this one yang largest 12,400, so you put here lah the value. Next, between 116, 400 and also 12,400, in order to put here you have to multiply with the probability value. Okay, so in order to get 59,200, you have to make sure, okay, you take here 116, 400 multiply with probability of the positive survey 0.45 plus dengan 12,400 multiply with 0. Okay, so betul tak? 116, 400 multiply 0.45 plus 12,400 multiply with 0.55. Okay, 59,000. Okay, belum siap lagi 59,200. You should minus with the cost lah. Cost dia adalah 10,000 in order to get profit. Okay, after you minus, then you can compare with do not conducting the market survey, which one is the largest. So you see here, you compare this value 49,200 and also 40,000. We can determine that 49,000 is the largest value lah. So untung lah when you conducting market survey. So the decision here, you can see the best decision is conducting market survey. If the survey result favorable, we construct a large plan. But if the survey is unfavorable, we construct small plan. Sorry, not favorable. Tolong betulkan sikit. If the survey result positive, this one, okay, if the result positive, sebab ni this one ni positif, cabang ini adalah positif. Okay, tapi kalau negatif survey, kita pilih small plan. Right, so best decision conducting market survey. Tapi bila market survey, you have two option lah, whether the market result positive or the market result negative. If the market result positive, you should construct a large plan. But if the market survey negative, you should construct a small plan. Dia ada two scenario. But let's say lah, next case, kalau lah you dapati researcher tu have to not conduct ni, okay, the decision is just mention not conducting and proceed with yang mana yang largest. Kalau you tengok kat sini, proceed with conducting small plant. Tapi since kita pilih conducting market survey, dia ada lagi option. So you have to explain lah tu option ni. Ya, option ni. Okay.